Tired of your Minecraft pay controls feeling a little euro off? Let's fix that and make your blocky adventures truly your own. First things first, boot up Minecraft Pocket Edition. Once you're on the main menu, look for the gear icon. This is your gateway to all the game settings. Tap on it to enter the options. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll see various tabs across the top. We're interested in the touch tab. Click on that one to access all the gameplay control customization options. Here's where the magic happens. You'll find a section called Customize Controls. Tap the button next to it to dive into the control layout editor. This is your personal canvas for controlling your character. See these buttons? You can actually drag and drop them to change their positions on your screen. Want the jump button closer to your thumb? Go for it. Need the movement stick larger? You can do that to simply tap and hold a button. Then drag it to its new home. Don't forget to tap the checkmark once you're happy with the layout to save your changes. But we're not done yet. Still within the touch settings, you'll find a sensitivity slider. This is crucial for how quickly your camera moves. When you swipe your finger, slide it left to slow down your aim for more precision, or slide it right for rapid turns and quick reconnaissance. Experiment with this until it feels just right for your playstyle. Some players also prefer to invert the axes, meaning moving your finger up moves the camera down, and vice versa. You can find this toggle here if that's something you'd like to try out for a different feel. You can even adjust the size of your on-screen buttons by using the button size slider in the Customize Controls section. Make them bigger for easier tapping, or smaller to maximize your screen real estate. Finally, for a cleaner visual experience, you can disable Show Controller button hints if you're comfortable with your chosen layout and don't need the constant reminders of what each button does. With these adjustments, you're now set to explore, build, and battle in Minecraft exactly how you want to. Happy crafting!